How to clear Snapchat call history. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to delete or clear your Snapchat call history, what I want you to know is Snapchat does not have a separate call history log like a phone app, so you cannot clear call history specifically. But you can clear your chat conversation, which removes the call entries in the chat. So for that, open your Snapchat application, log into your account and go to your chat or the conversation section. So you can go ahead and clear the Snapchat call history by clearing the chats. So once you are over there, go ahead and select any specific chat that you want to delete. Tap and hold on to it. Then go ahead and tap on chat and notification settings. And you'll see the option of clear from chat feed. You can go ahead and tap on this option to clear from the chat feed and hide it from your chat feed as well. Unless you do not message this person or this person messages you, their chat will no longer appear in your profile or your chat feed. You can also go to delete chat option and then select after viewing, 24 hours after viewing, or 7 days after viewing. And according to your choice, your chats should automatically delete by the time. Another thing you can do is go to your profile picture in the top left corner, then tap on the gear icon to go to settings in the top right. Scroll all the way down and tap on clear conversation. That is under account actions. Then tap on the cross icon next to their name in the right hand side of the screen and clear it and confirm. This clears the entire chat thread and removes the call history entries linked to the chat. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.